BMW's new Mad Max electric dune taxi climbs some of the tallest sand dunes known to man. What is BMW up to? Dune taxi electric prototype. Well, this is how you get people interested in your electric vehicle developments. You build something so extreme. Like, this looks amazing. Oh my God. What? It's a...
That's fun, right?
It's kind of like got a Ken Block feeling to it. Just fun and stunts. And then like a kind of a loose script. Dune taxi electric prototype. Look how wide that thing is. Well, I mean, it looks like an RC car.
It does, yeah.
Going through the desert here.
That's so cool.
Natural fiber reinforced polymer, but it must be lightweight. Look at the suspension on this thing. My God. Well, that's the coolest looking BMW ever. That you'll never be able to buy anything similar to it. Oh, they just showed the amount of travel on the suspension. 400 millimeter wheel travel. Oof. Let's go.
Oh, it'd be so fun to ride that.
So stable. Look at when they look inside the cabin, how stable they are. Just floating above the sand. Now they bring in a car you can actually buy.
Oh, okay.
They're like, this is what you can get, though, an X6M. And look, it's keeping up with the even cooler one. So you can get this one, Will. That's pretty cool, right?
Well, I'm getting both.
Both? Wow. This escalated quickly.
That's
no, they're not going to sell that other one to anybody. That's a show car. Maybe they'll bring it to our studio, though. Tell them, get it over here from, where are they? Which desert is this? Well, anyway, it's not going to happen. But tell them.
Okay.
Tell them to bring it in the studio. It would look amazing in this studio down here.
That's
a crazy stunt, too, by the way.
We'll do some jumps with it.
That crowd wasn't big enough. It was just like 12 guys.
Yeah.
Right? That has to be a bigger crowd over there.
Oh.
To make the case, no?
Yeah, they need to work
upgrade
on their
that,
crowd.
right? Oh, okay, somewhere in the Middle East. All right. Dune taxi. Oh, look at this. That's a
cool.
steep climb. Ooh. You rather go up or go down, Will?
I would go down.
You go down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fun.
You go on roller coasters ever?
Well, I just tried the Porsche. The Porsche over there.
The new Porsche roller coaster.
Which one was it?
I was just trying the Porsche over there. That was what I was doing.
Put it on Sport Plus.
Yeah.
Launched it at 0.
Yeah. Oh, that's another teaser for an upcoming video.
Yeah, really fun.
You're out of control. Will, you're just driving those around?
It's a roller coaster in and of itself.
You're out of control around here.
Yeah.